Hi, it's Amelia from Doxy.me. Today, I'll be introducing you to the transfer feature. In real-world care, patients don't always stay with one person from start to finish. Patients may start their visit with your front desk, a colleague may need to step in, or coverage may shift during the day. Transfer helps you move patients between providers or rooms while keeping their visit connected. Let's see how it works. If a patient is in your waiting room, simply open their patient information card then. Select Transfer. Choose the provider or room you'd like to send them to. Then click Confirm. The patient instantly appears in the receiving room's queue. No new link required. From the patient's perspective, they'll see a brief message that they are being connected to the next provider. Then they're automatically placed into the new waiting room. They stay in the same session and don't need to take any action. You can also transfer a patient while you're with them in a session. Open their patient information card from the sidebar then. Select Transfer. Choose the provider or room you'd like to send them to. Then click Confirm. The patient moves directly to the next provider's waiting room without leaving Doxy.me or needing to check in again. From the patient's perspective, the call ends and they're immediately guided back to a waiting screen with a message that they're being connected to the next provider. When the next provider is ready, the visit continues as normal. Transfer creates smoother handoffs, giving your team clarity and your patients confidence throughout the visit.